everyone, and thanks for joining me again this evening. I have two more scrap busting junk journals to the success of selling my three earlier, so thank you so much to White Wizzy for purchasing all three. I got on and finished these other two. I have others that are in the process as well, but I thought I may as well show you these two and upload the video and get them on for sale. So again, they are £10 each plus £3 postage if you're in the UK. If you're outside of the UK, excuse me, if you are outside of the UK, just let me know and I'll find out how much the postage would be to get these to you. So if you are interested, please leave a comment below or send me an email, and I take payment by PayPal. So let me show you them. I have two here. This one is called Love and this one is called Cherish. So let me just show you these. So just let me know which one you would like if you want any of these. So I've done this one, these a bit different. This one has the word love in letter charms going across, has this lovely tassel lace there and all the way across the back, lovely cardstock, some Tim Holtz paper dolls, and then the word inspire. But isn't that gorgeous? Look how they turned out. I am just loving making these journals, and I am using up loads and loads of my scraps. So in the first cover, first page, you have this lovely flower sticker and a little label there, and then some vintage book pages and another sticker there. And here we have a little pocket with a vintage tea card. Oops, they're coming out of there. A vintage tea card and a vintage stamp. And then here we have another flap which has this little pocket with a little piece of ephemera, and then a piece of lace there with another label so you can write on there. And here we have these lovely, it says hand wrought by on this day, month of, in the year. I just thought they were super cute, and there's a couple of pieces of ephemera in there as well. Some scrap paper, so some coffee dyed paper in here. So you've got some journaling space, this lovely Tim Holtz paper and some washi tape. And then we have some fabric, a fabric flip here. Oh, it's lovely. It's all that lovely texture, and some lace. And then there's another little tuck spot there, and that just says photograph on there. And then some old paper and another flip for you to tuck something in. Then we have this like belly band and some ribbon. And then we have this just scrap piece of card where I've done some sewing and put some coffee dyed paper there, so you have a journaling spot. And then this is just some ephemera which I've put on coffee dyed paper. And then you've got this bit here if you want to tuck something in. Here we have one of the Rolodex pockets. And in here I have put an altered playing card, and it's got cute little cats on. And there's fabric and ribbon and flowers and old paper. And then there's a napkin on the back of that as well. So that's one of my altered playing cards. And then we've just got some vintage paper, new book pages and some trim. And then on here, this was just from a flower book, I think, and it says something indispensable. And then you have a lovely butterfly there. And then there's another pocket here with a, oh, if I can pull it out. Oh dear, don't tell me I've got it stuck. There you go. This has some writing space and coffee dyed paper, and it's got a little ribbon pull tab there as well. Then over the page we've got one of these little book page bags and some little pieces of ephemera in there, and then another paper doll and some lace. lots of little pockets in this one. Look, there's another one there with a little bit of fabric to tuck there, and then a little bit of writing space there, and then here sticker and some old vintage pages, another little tuck spot there, and another little couple of bits of fabric. I love this paper. And then here you could put some photos, and then we have this is just clipped on, this is just a banner that's been made from book pages, and it's just got a lovely photo and some fabric, and it just says life is good, with a gorgeous lace flower. And then another little flip out with some ledger paper and a label. And then here there's another little pocket with a journaling card, and then it's got a lovely pretty bow on there. And then on the back here there is one of my big tags that I've made, and you've got writing space on the back. You've got a gorgeous butterfly applique there, and this is from a book page, these flowers, and it is just clipped on the back. So that is number one, and I'm going to call it Love because it has the word love on the front. So that's the first one. And then the second one I'm going to call Cherish because I just think he is adorable. Excuse me. And we have here a big tassel. Oops, if I can untangle it. It's got a big tassel on here which is removable, and it has this lovely charm with a moon and stars. And then this is a bulldog clip which you can just unclip and take it off if you want to put it somewhere else. Then on the front we have old book page, old ledger, Tim Holtz paper doll, sticker, and the back is just this lovely heart cardstock. And then in the front I have another one of these hand wrought by and on this day, month, etc. And then you've got a little tuck spot here, a little bit of journaling space there. This is old book page with a vintage stamp, and then you could attach a photo there. Here we have some ephemera turned into a pocket, and I've put a little die cut leaves and a little journaling spot. Here we have a lovely sticker which says the word strong and a flip, and then you've got a little bit of journaling space there. I made these tags actually earlier on today out of some fabric pieces, and I just thought it was so this is fabric, it's just gorgeous. And then you've got writing space, more old book page there and writing space, and this just clips onto there. Here we have some vintage pages, some vintage lace, Tim Holtz cardstock, and then you've got a lovely flip here with a die cut flower, a lovely little picture, some lovely old book pages, some more ephemera with a cute little pocket and a vintage tea card, and a little bit of ephemera on this lovely gold cardstock. And then I've used a flower die cut and put some more ephemera in there, and put a little writing space there. Here we have another fabric swatch with a little bit of ribbon there, and then you could just put a photo or put something under there. Then in the middle I've got some more vintage pages, and this is not coffee dyed, this is actually an old book page. As you can see, it's so old. And then you've got the word laugh, a sticker, more old book pages, and a paper doll. Here we have one of my little paper bags that I've made, and a little flip which has just got some little scrap pieces of paper, vintage stamp, and some stickers and some old book pages there. So I'm just going to pop that in there. So even though there's not so much writing space on here, you've got little bits to write on. Another flip out, and then you've got some fabric and the word love you. And on here you've got a I cut this out with one of my punches and just put the word happy, so you've got somewhere to write on. And then another little tuck spot there, flip out I should say, Tim Holtz paper. And you've got a lovely die cut butterfly, 2 little bits of ephemera. This is Tim Holtz. And then here some excuse me, some ribbon excuse me, some more of the vintage lace and the word genuine. And then another little flip. Now, funny story, this punch that I used earlier on today, it was on the side, Charlie jumped up and it has broken, and now I have 3 springs and all the bits and it is bust. So I'm not happy with him. So this is a lovely little fold out with some of that ribbon, and then if you untie that, you've got a flip out, which I won't do now, but that's got lots of writing space in there. And then we have another little tuck spot with some writing space and some lovely ephemera. More ephemera up here. There's 2 little bits with this butterflies, a lot of butterflies in this one. And then we have another butterfly pocket here with 2 little bits of ephemera. And then here is another of the fabric tags that I made earlier on today. This is just gorgeous fabric, and I have put some coffee dye, well no, an old book page there, but these, I just love this fabric, so I thought I would use it. And then this got a lovely little clip to clip that on. So those are the 2 scrap busting journals that are up for sale. So we have Love and Cherish. If you're interested in either of these, just let me know. They are £10 each and £3 postage to the UK. I love these little charms here with the word love. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.